Minasan konnichiwa, Ken desu. Today we are doing something that is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time now, but I haven't found the right artist and I hadn't had good recommendations yet. But I finally have some friends who recommended me an artist. Her name is Keiko Fuji, and they told me to listen to this song. It is called My Dreams Bloom at Night. And I don't know what I'm expecting here. I don't really listen to older Japanese music. This is a journey, and this is really a first time truly for me. So you guys are going to experience my reaction and how I feel, my thoughts, all this stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm just kind of scared and nervous because I don't know what I am getting into. So hopefully this sounds good.
物心ついた時から歌を歌い始めて、そしてデビューして10年、歌を通じて本当にどれだけ多くの人と心を通じ合い、そして励ましてもらったことかと今本当に幸せに感じています。長い間私を応援してくれた皆様、本当にありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。Hold on. I was still trying to get, emotionally prepared before they did this drop. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay. Okay.
赤く咲くのはケシの花、白く咲くのは百合の花。
Oh, she's an alto. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. I thought she's going to have a high-pitched voice, but she has like a lower tone voice. I love it.
どうさきゃいいのさこの私、夢は夜開く、15、16、17と私の人生暗かった。過去はどんなに暗くとも夢は夜開く。昨日まぼ今日とみ、明日は長時間。
I like her little shaky vibrato there. Like she'll go smooth and like I love that.
恋は儚く過ぎてゆき、夢は夜開く。
This is nice. I mess with it. I love all the instruments.
嘘の花、夜飛ぶ蝶々も嘘の花。
The strings.
嘘を魚に酒を汲みゃ、夢は夜開く。前を見るような
Oh, she's not positive.
柄じゃない、後ろ向くような柄じゃない、よそ見してたら泣きを見た、夢は夜開く。1から10までバカでした。
Ooh, hold on, girl. Hold on. Did y'all see how she switched her tone? She came in with a little bit of power, a little bit. No. Like, I like that. Good. That was very strong. And now she's going a little light. You see how she changes her tone and how strong and light she can change it to? I like that. Holy. That's nice. She's very versatile. Okay. Love this. Man, I feel like these days you don't really get the opportunity to really hear authentic, beautiful voices just like hers, and also background instruments. Like, you don't really hear that as much as they did back then. So it's so beautiful to kind of see the difference between music back then versus music today. It just feels so much more richer and authentic, I feel like. Very beautiful. I love her alto vocals. Like, it sounds so beautiful. I love how she switches her tone. She can definitely go a little low and also dark. Like, she has like a little dark tone sometimes, and then she'll switch it over to the and go a little light with her tone. She does a very good job of doing that, and I really, really enjoy that. I love her vibrato. I just, oh my gosh, I really did enjoy that. I will definitely need to see more of her work, though. I want to see more of it. I want to see if she brings a little bit more to her vocals. Not what I was expecting at all, but I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappointed. I definitely want to see more. So if you guys have any more recommendations, whether it's her or if there is any other artist that you guys want me to check out as well that's singing during this time period, please, please, please send me some more work, because I would love to check them out. But in any case, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you guys next time. Matane!